It's jam time with Deborah and Mauricia. And as a person who's renting a property, an important question is, what about that checklist that you have to do? Must I take photos of everything when I move in? I'm terrified that at the end, they're going to take money off my deposit for a window that was already broken.
Absolutely, and you definitely have to take as many photos as possible. But let's just go through the most important documents. You must have a signed lease agreement. Yes, verbal agreement is also an agreement, but it's not going to cover you. Have a signed lease agreement. And now the law also provides for the so-called disclosure document. The landlord must provide you with a disclosure document as part of the lease agreement with potential defects. And the third most important document is, of course, the inspection. As many photos as possible on the day that you move in with a full inspection report.
Protect yourself.
Yes.